Well, let's take it on the left. Just continue right. I just hope. Oh, this is deep. This is deep. This is deep. Oof. I need some air. Well, it's the 7th of January and it's early afternoon and I'm off to breathe some air. Well, everything is green and I'm a midweek runaway, as I say it, by myself, just to look what's going on, because the upcoming weekend is going to be rainy again. So I'm off at the back roads of Pardes Chana. Oh, what a relief. Well, I have some time off this afternoon and nothing beats drinking a cup of coffee out in the wild, and it's so reachable, it's so near, that I've decided to take a chance, but I have to be aware it's not the weekend traffic. So also off-road there can be some traffic. Wow, look how much water is flowing in the channel here now. Well, this is a good sight. Well, it's not enough. You can see it was more, around 40 centimeters more, but as I remember, there should be a water crossing up ahead. Well, I'm curious to see, because it is streaming during winter. Oh, it's a bit bumpy increase here. Ooh, look at this water here. Well, this section here is being channeled from side to side. Oh yeah, it is streaming. It's not so deep. Nice, but it's a nice sight. It's clear water, it's rainwater. Ooh. Oh, I almost didn't make it. Well, Taninim stream is flowing as well. That's nice. I'm going to continue a bit more north on this white trail here and then cut to the east. I'm going to try to enter the area on a different route. Well, it's busy here. There were many cars before. It's like a highway. Well, maybe it's a shortcut from traffic around Binyamina. So I'm going to ride along here the trail. And see where it leads me, because I want to cut to the right. Should be a path here to diagonal. Yeah, it's cleared. Well, there was a lake that there was a locked gate back there, and it said that it's private property. Could be. So I'm not looking for trouble or trespassing, but still I'm looking for the adventure. Well, as I see, if I continue here straight on, I'm going to meet up with a paved road up ahead. Where does it go? Here on the left? Maybe there is a bypass from here. Let's see. Yeah, it's possible to ride here as well. Where it's low, the mud stays. Let's see how it is. It's possible to pass it from the right through the tree. Yeah, I didn't want to take a chance riding inside the puddle. So I was just on the edge through the branches, but I don't mind. It's just a bit muddy. Well, really taking it slow here. Staying in the crease. Well, the paved road is up ahead, and then I can decide, because I just need enough speed. Well, continue straight on. Wow, I didn't see this one here. This isn't marked. Wow, that's interesting. Or not. No, it's a military one. Maybe they're training or scouting out here. Well, that's army with the black number plate here. Wow, this tractor was blocking the way. Well, the Jeep had to backtrack a bit. I already lost it. Let's see if I can catch it up. It's nice here. Wow, really nice trails here. Woo. Wow, it's an army base, that's a reason. איזה עומס, מה עושים פה? שאני לא אפול עכשיו. That was funny. That's a really nice surprise, and they all moved for me. Woo! So I have to be aware that there could be another group here training. I told them that I hope I won't fall down. Wow, perfect conditions here. It's a bit wet. I have to be prepared to mud and slippery stones, but it's okay. Woo, that was fun. Well, I don't mind pausing for a second. For a good reason. Wow, this motorcycle just plows through. Wow. Ooh. That's nice here. Well, done with this section here. Well, I disturbed the soldiers. Wow, what a magnificent view here. Well, all these cows here are grazing here. So I'm gonna ride all the way there. Woo, perfect here. Well, the trail on the right here down here is notorious for its mud. No idea what's here, but there is a bypass. Well, usually soldiers are here as well. Well, let's see if I have some company here as well. Wow, it was muddy here, you can see. Really muddy. Just cautious here. Wow, what time is it? It's 3:30. Oh, the gate here is open. Oh, nice here. Hello, cows. That really looks nice here. Well, all the cows are out here because they have enough to eat, to graze here. Wow, everything is filled with poop. Ride with caution here. We call these landmines because if you step on them, poof, it's all shitty. Well, I'll take it down here. Straight ahead is quite tricky. Oh, nice. Wow, the DR is the perfect creature for these slow rides I so cherish. Whoa, this here is greasy. It was flowing here, as you can see. Well, it doesn't matter. So the DR is perfect for me. I don't need the speed. I can ride as slow as this. I have enough traction. I have maneuverability. I have ground clearance, I have traction, I have everything. Well, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Well, after the rain, this section here is not so nice. You can see the white section's limestone. I'm always talking about it and I really have no intentions of testing it. Oh, this is so worn down during summer. Wow, now we can see how deep the crease here is. Take a look here on the left. Whoa, really deep. Wow, the light is perfect. Woo, nice. I prefer to be in the sun. Maybe I'll continue just a bit more. Look at these creases here. Ooh, to take it slowly so I won't be surprised. Wow. You know what? All right, here. It doesn't really matter. Wow, look so how many cows are here. Ooh, it's the one with the horns. Wow. Hello. You're looking fit, washed, all washed. Well, cut through the right. Now we can see everything here is like a lawnmower taken care of. Well, every cow is marked by a brand, by a number. Oh, there is a chair there. Maybe I can sit there. I think I found a spot for my coffee break. Let's see if this chair is one we can sit on. Let's see. Ooh, someone left me a present. Well, it looks stable enough. Well, coffee break it is. Well, it's unbelievable. It's really as if I'm in another country on an adventure. It's so quiet. There was just one person with an enduro bike just climbing up and down this hill. It's just me and the cows, and I was enjoying myself here with this really nice chair. Well, I'm gonna leave this chair here, and I hope I remember it's here. I guess someone used it as well. Well, this is this limestone, which is very slippery. It's moist. I was walking there and I almost fell over, so I have to be aware when riding. Well, it's time for me to head back. Let's ride back to the track. Well, I'm curious if I should ride a bit to the right. Ooh, what a ditch here. These creases are quite deep. No, I'll turn left and ride back from Amikam through an off-road section as well. Oh, this one looks nice. What are you looking at? Taninim stream here is flowing finally. Unbelievable. It was so dry. Oh, some puddles here. Well, I know there was one up ahead. Should be okay. Oh, what was this? It was just a branch sticking up. Wow. Wow, I hope there won't be an adventure for me. Ooh, this is quite deep. Well, the DR is like a tractor. Just slowly lift your feet. I don't want some wet boots. Well, I'll continue here. Maybe I'll cross to the street. Well, it was perfect for me today. Okay, now I understand what they were up to. There is a bridge. Well, there used to be a crossing here, but I guess because there are agricultural vehicles crossing here, they built a bridge, a brand new concrete bridge over Taninim stream. which is perfect for us riders as well, because if not we should have crossed here and it can be difficult. Wow, that's really nice. Well, I'm going to continue straight on here. Well, riding here along Taninim stream, which is filled with water. Wow, beautiful. Wow. It was a pleasure for me, I hope for you as well, just to enjoy a cup of coffee out here. I don't need much. It didn't cost me anything except the fuel, and I did only 23 kilometers. Ooh, okay, forgot we have another obstacle to cross. Well, let's take it on the left. Just continue right. I just hope. Oh, this is deep. This is deep. This is deep. I got my boots a bit wet. Wow. Okay, this is advisable to take care. Well, where was I? This is deep as well. I can see. Wow, I'm just trying to keep my boots out of the water. Well, this is the type of soil I try to avoid. This is brown. This is not so nice. Well, I have a couple of puddles. I will cross them. I'm not backtracking now. Wow. Just keep it in the stream here. Just have to be aware that they can be sticking up rocks here as well. No. Well, I wanted some adventure. That's me, adventurous. Ho 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 ho. This is not the mud I like. Well, I'm going back from the main road. Well, it was a pleasure until now. Well, I can plow through, but this is a sticky mud I hate because it piles up. So I need some speed, and I have to be aware it's super slippery around the bends. Well, I'm gonna peel them off. Okay, where should I take it? Just speed through the left. I really don't want to lift up my motorcycle here. It's just slippery. Wow. Did I say knobby tires? Well, by foot it's not so nice to cross here unless you have some rubber boots. So once again, if you enjoyed it, wow, another one, obstacle after the other, one after the other. Well, you know what? No conclusion yet. You see the bus? That's the main road, and I'm gonna cross to the other side because there is a little waterfall there. But I'm curious to see. Wow, let's see. Now I have all kinds of mud stuck on my motorcycle. Wow. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, stay tuned, stay sharp, go out and enjoy yourself. It was a pleasure here. I don't know where you're riding at, but I really hope you have good conditions. As long as it's not raining, everything is possible. Bye bye.